I have with me here the Infinix Hot 60i. It's a smartphone that is highly demanded because it is budget friendly, and I believe it has some very good features that we're going to be seeing. I mean, according to the reviews, according to the specs given by the manufacturers, it should be good. 45 watts, 5160 mAh battery is impressive. It's an improvement on the previous one, right? Okay, fresh out of the box. This is the phone. It looks good. This glossy, this back looks nice. Okay, what is this button here? There are two buttons here. I'm going to find out what it does. So it comes with, how about now? Infinix, you are more than this. This 45 watts charger is nice. Earpiece. Many phones don't come with earpiece again. This is nice. Type C, the scene ejector. Okay, how do we get English? Hello. Let's see. Android 15. Let's see the camera. We're going to do a comparison of this phone with the Tecno Spark 40 and Redmi 15C. They are all of the same price range. Okay, not bad. And it says it has Infinix AI also. This is the feature that we saw in the Tecno Spark 40 and this button. So I guess this is the Folax AI. You can now press and hold. Hello, can you open up Google for me? This is cool. Okay, it's a nice one by the side. You can just let's give it another command. Open my calendar, please. Ah, cool. This is it's cool. So um, I want to take a good picture, and it opens up your camera. Oh, all right. Ah, and it even takes the picture for you. Wow. So Infinix lovers, this one is for you. You can see how the Folax voice works. This is impressive, right? So please do well to subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. And if there's any question you have, please drop it in the comment section. We'll do well to respond to it. Thank you for watching this video to this point. Bye.